CytoVA is a decision support tool with PubMed in the back end. One aspect of CytoVA is a literature tool, which locates PubMed articles using a gene and/or HPO phenotype as search terms. We've automated this functionality in MutationForecaster, and it can be used to examine Shannon pipeline, VEP, or veridical output and locate associated articles on PubMed. To use the functionality, visit the Control Center and hover the mouse cursor over CytoVA in the page's subheader, and select Phenotype-filtered literature analysis for involvement of gene for each variant from the dropdown. In this example, we'll examine some Shannon pipeline output, which I've already prepared. If an HPO phenotype is provided, CytoVA will scan through all variants found in the Shannon pipeline output and search for articles on PubMed using the gene associated with each variant, as well as the phenotype. CytoVA will search for the gene names alone if no phenotype is provided. We recommend providing a phenotype, if known, in order to best tailor the results to your data. To enter a phenotype, start typing within the HPO phenotype input field, and related phenotypes will pop up. Click a phenotype in the list to select it. Once you've chosen a phenotype and selected an input file, click the Submit Data button to begin execution. This process usually requires several minutes, but this does depend on the number of variants found in the input file. A notification will appear in the header bar when CytoVA is completed. At this point, the results will appear in the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Click the eye-shaped symbol to view the results. First, an overview of your submission is displayed at the top of the screen. In this example, 675 variants were present in our input file, and articles were found for 101 of them. Below the summary, a histogram presents the distribution of the number of articles found. For example, we see CytoVA found one article for 57 of the variants, 2 associated articles for 13 variants, and so on. Finally, a table presents all variants with at least one matching article. It displays the associated gene name, number of articles located, and the number of articles verified by at least one additional verification step. The verification steps examine whether 1. The gene symbol is present in the substances list for the article on PubMed, 2. The gene symbol is present in the article's mesh terms, 3. The gene symbol is found in the title of the article, and 4. Whether the full gene name is present in any of those locations. Checkmarks in the table indicate the article has been verified by the corresponding verification step. The Articles field lists the PubMed IDs for each article. Articles which passed at least one form of additional verification appear in bold. To view an article on PubMed, click the ID link and it will open in a new browser tab. CytoVA results can be exported to your CUVD database. To do so, click the Export these results to CUVD button located directly above the histogram. Access the database by clicking Visit your CUVD database in the CUVD dropdown. The results can be found in the column labeled Gene and Phenotype PubMed Articles via CytoVA. It's worth noting the entire process presented in this video can be completely automated through the use of workflows on MutationForecaster. A workflow can be created requiring no additional interaction from the user, which first determines variants of interest using the Shannon pipeline, locates associated articles with CytoVA, and then exports the results to CUVD.